The role of blockchain in cross-border payments and financial inclusion. Blockchain technology is playing a transformative role in cross-border payments and financial inclusion, addressing long-standing challenges in the global financial system. Traditional cross-border payment systems are often slow, expensive, and inefficient, relying on a network of intermediaries such as correspondent banks, clearinghouses, and payment processors. These intermediaries add layers of complexity, increase transaction costs, and create delays, particularly for individuals and businesses in developing countries. Blockchain, with its decentralized, transparent, and secure nature, offers a revolutionary alternative that can streamline cross-border payments, reduce costs, and enhance financial inclusion. By leveraging blockchain technology, the global financial system is becoming more accessible, efficient, and equitable, empowering individuals and businesses to participate in the global economy. One of the most significant advantages of blockchain in cross-border payments is its ability to eliminate intermediaries. Traditional cross-border transactions typically involve multiple banks and financial institutions, each charging fees and adding processing time. For example, a payment from the United States to a recipient in Africa might pass through several correspondent banks, each taking a cut and delaying the transaction. Blockchain enables peer-to-peer, P2P, transactions, allowing funds to be transferred directly between parties without the need for intermediaries. This direct transfer mechanism reduces transaction costs and speeds up processing times, making cross-border payments more affordable and efficient. For instance, blockchain-based payment platforms like Ripple and Stellar are already facilitating real-time, low-cost cross-border transactions, benefiting businesses and individuals alike. Blockchain also enhances transparency and security in cross-border payments. Traditional payment systems often lack transparency, making it difficult for senders and recipients to track the status of transactions. Blockchain's immutable ledger provides a transparent and auditable record of all transactions, enabling real-time tracking and verification. This transparency reduces the risk of fraud and errors, enhancing trust in the payment process. Additionally, blockchain's cryptographic techniques ensure that transactions are secure and tamper-proof, protecting sensitive financial information from unauthorized access. For example, a blockchain-based payment system can use public-private key cryptography to authenticate transactions and ensure that only authorized parties can access the funds. This level of security is particularly important in cross-border payments, where the risk of fraud and cyber attacks is higher. Another critical role of blockchain in cross-border payments is its potential to enhance financial inclusion. According to the World Bank, approximately 1.4 billion adults worldwide remain unbanked, lacking access to basic financial services. Traditional banking systems often exclude these individuals due to high fees, lack of infrastructure, and stringent identification requirements. Blockchain-based payment systems can provide a more inclusive alternative by enabling individuals to access financial services without the need for a traditional bank account. For example, a blockchain-based mobile payment platform can allow users to send and receive funds using only a smartphone and an internet connection. This accessibility is particularly beneficial in developing countries, where mobile phone penetration is high, but banking infrastructure is limited. By providing a low-cost, accessible payment solution, blockchain is helping to bridge the gap between the banked and unbanked populations. Blockchain is also facilitating the rise of decentralized finance, DeFi, platforms, which are expanding access to financial services beyond traditional banking systems. DeFi platforms leverage blockchain technology to offer a wide range of financial services, including lending, borrowing, and trading, without the need for intermediaries. These platforms are particularly beneficial for individuals and businesses in developing countries, where access to credit and other financial services is often limited. For example, a small business owner in a developing country can use a DeFi platform to access a loan from a global pool of lenders, bypassing traditional banks and their stringent requirements. This democratization of financial services is fostering greater economic participation and empowerment, particularly for marginalized communities. The use of blockchain in cross-border payments is also driving innovation in remittance markets. Remittances, or money sent by migrant workers to their families in their home countries, are a critical source of income for many developing nations. However, traditional remittance services are often expensive, with high fees and unfavorable exchange rates. Blockchain-based remittance platforms are disrupting this market by offering lower fees, faster processing times, and more favorable exchange rates. For example, platforms like BitPesa and Abra are using blockchain to facilitate low-cost, real-time remittances, benefiting both senders and recipients. This innovation is particularly important in regions like sub-Saharan Africa, where remittances account for a significant portion of GDP. Despite its potential, the adoption of blockchain in cross-border payments faces several challenges. One of the main issues is regulatory uncertainty. Different jurisdictions have varying approaches to regulating blockchain and cryptocurrencies, creating a complex and fragmented regulatory landscape. For example, some countries have embraced blockchain and cryptocurrencies, while others have imposed strict regulations or outright bans. This lack of regulatory clarity can create compliance risks and hinder the adoption of blockchain-based payment solutions. To address these challenges, industry stakeholders are working with regulators to develop clear and consistent regulatory frameworks that support innovation while protecting consumers. Another challenge is the scalability of blockchain networks. While blockchain offers significant advantages in terms of security and transparency, it can struggle to handle large volumes of transactions, particularly in high-demand scenarios. For example, during periods of high transaction activity, blockchain networks like Bitcoin and Ethereum can experience congestion, leading to slower processing times and higher fees. To address this, developers are exploring solutions such as Layer 2 protocols, sidechains, and hybrid blockchain models that combine the benefits of public and private blockchains. These innovations aim to enhance the scalability and efficiency of blockchain networks, making them more suitable for cross-border payments. Interoperability is another critical factor for the widespread adoption of blockchain in cross-border payments. For blockchain-based payment systems to be effective, they need to be compatible with existing financial infrastructures and other blockchain networks. Efforts are underway to develop interoperable standards and protocols that enable seamless communication between different blockchain networks and traditional financial systems. For example, the Interledger Protocol, ILP, is an open protocol suite that enables payments across different ledgers and payment networks, facilitating interoperability and integration. In conclusion, blockchain technology is playing a pivotal role in transforming cross-border payments and enhancing financial inclusion. By eliminating intermediaries, enhancing transparency and security, and providing accessible financial services, blockchain is making cross-border payments more efficient, affordable, and inclusive. While challenges related to regulation, scalability, and interoperability remain, ongoing innovation and collaboration among industry stakeholders and regulators are paving the way for a more inclusive and efficient global financial system. As blockchain technology continues to evolve, its impact on cross-border payments and financial inclusion will be profound, reshaping how we transfer value and participate in the global economy. Blockchain is revolutionizing cross-border payments and driving financial inclusion by making transactions faster, cheaper, and more secure. As decentralized finance, DeFi, expands, millions of unbanked individuals worldwide could gain access to financial services like never before. Do you think blockchain-powered payments will replace traditional banking systems, or are there challenges that need to be addressed? Share your thoughts in the comments. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest innovations in blockchain, digital finance, and global payments.